If pop-ups are being blocked in Mozilla Firefox and you need a website to open properly, the fix is quick and easy. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn off the pop-up blocker in Firefox so you can allow pop-ups when you need them. This is useful for login pages, payment screens, form windows, and other websites that rely on pop-up windows to work correctly. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the three-line menu icon, also called the hamburger menu. Click that icon to open the main menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will open the Firefox settings page, where you can control privacy, permissions, security, and browsing behavior. On the settings page, scroll down until you find the permissions section. This is where Firefox keeps options for things like camera access, notifications, and pop-up windows. Now look for the setting labeled Block Pop-up Windows. By default, Firefox may have this enabled to stop unwanted pop-ups from appearing. If you want to turn off the pop-up blocker completely, simply uncheck the box next to Block Pop-up Windows. Once the box is unchecked, Firefox will allow pop-ups on all websites. If you only want to allow pop-ups for a specific site, you can usually keep the blocker on and add exceptions instead. But if your goal is to turn off the blocker entirely, unchecking that box is the main step you need. After you make the change, you can close the Settings tab and Firefox will save it automatically. Now that the pop-up blocker is turned off, try revisiting the website that was giving you trouble. The pop-up window should now appear normally. If it still doesn't show up, refresh the page or check whether the site has its own pop-up permission settings as well. And that's it. You now know how to turn off the pop-up blocker on Mozilla Firefox in just a few clicks. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.